Hi, everybody. I just got this in the mail. It was on my porch. I ordered it from Tarot Arts. I thought it said Tarot Tarts. You know, if you read it together, it looks like it does say that. And it came with this beautiful purple velvet pouch. This is the Oracle Believe in Your Own Magic. I saw the writer's video about this. She didn't show the deck, but she showed a few things, like that this was made up of three types of characters: mermaids, witches, and princesses. Let's go this way. Maybe I have better luck doing it like this. All right. Oh, I love it when they put real gold. No, well, not real gold, but you know where it shines. Or it looks like it does. Looks like foiling. Okay, so it's got a piece of paper. Has a book. Okay, I did not see a table index. Has the regular things in here. What other questions do I suggest I ask this deck? What do I need to remember this week? How can I better cope with the loss of a loved one? Is there a lesson I can expect from my recent breakup? Why do I have so much trouble opening up to others? How can I show myself the most self-love during this time? And yes, I would say you can ask any deck any question you want. She suggests using it for daily empowerment. And I think that's a great idea. Princess cards. Okay, let's look at the deck. I love the backs. So you will totally tell if you reverse them. But they're beautiful. I love that simple crown. Princess, you can be your own knight. Oh, evil queen, you deserve sugar, not salt. Yes, I always call it you deserve the whole pie, you know, from whatever relationship you're in, even if it's a parent-child, you know, you shouldn't be just getting some crumbs. I call it crumbs, you know, when they give you and you have to work hard to get those crumbs of love. But here they call it salt. So we all have our ways of describing these things. Tower. Unplug and relax for a spell. Very cool. I like this. We got every size person here. Diversity. Mirror. Treat your body like the palace it is. I love how free she looks. She's comfortable in her own skin. That is awesome. Stars you can manifest with your every wish. Isn't that beautiful? Dragons slay them all. Yes, kick ass, baby. When you're feeling good about yourself, you stand up for yourself. Sword, make the change. It took me a very long time to learn to stand up for myself. You never needed those wings to fly. Very cool. Phoenix, how's that for happily ever after? Red, forgive. I think those are pomegranates all over that bathroom. Or maybe it's tomatoes. Tomatoes grow tall. Sun, paint the sun back into your sky. Very cool. So you can see anything from the sunny side. Expectations, don't seek anyone's approval. Seek your own. Yes. She's got a little fairy there with her. Cool. Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. Look how comfortable she is. She's got, stretch marks, and she's wearing a bikini out there. She's reading fairy tales. Very cool. This just looks like a mermaid's tail there. Thorns, weave together the crown you deserve. Very cool. Garden, something lovely will grow from this. Beautiful. Bitch fire, stand up for yourself. Hell yes. Stand up for yourself. Flower, be honest with yourself. Tree, let them go. Lavender, surround yourself with love and ease. Lighthouse, don't doubt your worth. I'm always enough. Perfect card, perfect affirmation for everyone. We are all always enough. Clover, release your guilt. Library, take control of your own narrative. Yeah, don't let someone pull your strings. Confidence, it comes with time and practice. It really does. Potion, remember to practice self-love. Basic witch. Mural, be your own first priority. This is a must. Everyone needs to do that. Stiff as a feather, light as a board. Feather, think first before you judge. Which justice is coming? Protest, start a revolution. Oh, we got a big group of women here. Awesome. Feast, slow down and celebrate yourself. Absolutely. Rock your body, whatever size it is. Feel great about yourself. Castle, it's time for healing, not war. Yes. People are great at war. Universe, we're all just stardust. Yes, we are. Escapist, come home to yourself. Nostalgia, focus on here and now. Look, we have a mermaid up there. Oh, this is just her dream. Voyage, you already have all the answers. Very cool. Another mermaid's tail. Shark, swim away from the situation. He does look like a shark. His eyes look sinister just from the side. Like he's going to take a big bite out of her. Gold, you don't need someone else to fix you. That's right. We all fix ourselves. then it's perfect. And I don't mean doing anything plastic surgery to yourself. I mean inside. Great. Endings are inevitable. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. Raindrops, take a chance on them. Morning, the world awaits you. Very cool. I like her seashell crown. Oh, look, outside her window is the water and the fishes. And a fish on her little jewelry box here. Sundress, do it for you. Look at this. She's got vitiligo, you know, when the skin is lighter and darker in spots. And she's wearing a sundress. She is comfortable with herself. That is awesome. That's how we all need to be. And she feels warm in the snow. Go for it. Homeward, take yourself out on a date. Yes. Treat yourself special because you are. Spaceship, don't be afraid to sing. Very cool. Storm, every hurricane comes to an end. Thorn, potential is endless. Isn't that beautiful? Got a princess, witch, and mermaid. Let's give this a shuffle and pick a card. I like to shuffle this way, but since this is brand new, let's give it a riffle shuffle. Oh man, it's pretty, it's very, very large. I'm having a hard time stretching my hand out. And it has that brand new tarot smell. Look, it's almost as big as my hand. And we fan them out. Oh, throne. Your potential is endless, number 45. So let's see what this says. At the risk of sounding cliche, you can do anything you put your mind to. You are a mighty queen who is complex enough to be both gentle and valiant, just as and magnificent, or any combination you should ever long for. The reason they tell you that you cannot have it all is because they are afraid you will become even more dangerous than you already are. Yes, I love this. Yes, people do try to keep you down. You know, especially men of Afghanistan. They try to make all women think they're crazy. So we'll never rise up against them. And I say Afghanistan because I am Afghan. I'm an American Afghan. And it is my lifelong experience. They'll put us down and try to keep from rising. Well, let me get off my soapbox. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and believe in your own magic oracle. I hope you're all doing great. Be safe. Take care of yourself and the ones you loved. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Bye.